Okay, hasn't this been fun?
This has been amazing. Satnam Ji. So this is Kathy and I. We've been cooking Persephone going to the underworld, and so please join us. So Kathy, what do you think? What's going to happen?
I
Earth
think
Day. We're going to celebrate Gaia.
Yeah. Gaia. We're going to be honoring her, honoring the Earth. And then also we're going to be starting our goddess series and honoring the maiden Persephone and her journey into the underworld and the myth of it and the story of it. And Jackie's going to be doing her magic with meditation and shamanic journeys. And
It's going to be wild.
It's going to be wild and wonderful.
So,
teaching rituals,
yes.
building altars.
Ceremony through the eyeballs. It's going to be wild and fun, so please join us. We're so excited to gather together. You can come for just one workshop, or you can do a whole certification for 9 months with us. So be with us and be roundy, because we're not square at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
The circle is sacred.
The circle is casted. Satnam, namaste, and so mote it be.
Yes.
Aho. Blessings. Bye-bye.
Yeah.